Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am independent Stampin' Demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm going to show you a lovely double fold card. It opens and then opens again, and then a place for your sentiment. Here's a different version of it. Open, open, place your sentiment. And I use the lovely DSP that is Regal Winter. Here's the front. Isn't that beautiful? And then here's the back. I love these bold colors. Let's get started. So you're going to start with a card base that is 5.5 by 4 1/4. A piece of DSP 5 1/4 by 8 scored at 4. The inside card 7 by 4 3/4 scored at 3.5. And 2 of the same size, one in basic white and one DSP that measures 4.5 by 3 1/4. And then an extra piece for the sentiment. I'm going to leave mine blank because I like to wait until I know who I'm sending it to. So let me get the measurements out of your way. All right, so let's go ahead and fold at the score line for the DSP and also for the cardstock. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and adhere this to the card base. I'm going to break out my Stampin' seal, take out the top. I put a little T here just to remind me where the top is. Sometimes I forget. And let's go ahead and do my round around the corners, just so the corners don't pop up. That goes first. Then I'll go ahead and put the DSP on the front of the inside card. Coordinating. And you can do the opposite if you like. I'm okay with the same. You can flip it over. And then this goes inside for your sentiment. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the adhesive on the back of the inside card. I do it clockwise or like that so the corners don't. And then you tuck it into this side and center it here. You can leave edges or not edges. What do you think? I'm going to go in between so a little bit of the blue shows. And that is it, folks. You can stamp your sentiment and put it here or here depending on your sentiment, but I just love being able to showcase both sides of the DSP. So let me bring back the other cards. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you'll get notifications when I get new videos up and running. Have a great day. Bye.